What's up, y'all? I'm Zach with tinyhouse.com, and on March 14th and 15th, we are hosting the DIY Fest 2024. You're going to want to make sure that you're able to attend this session, and if you can't attend it, make sure you get access to the recordings. You guys, this is going to be the most impactful event that you've ever attended if you are looking to go tiny or even DIY or anything like that. So it's 100% online. You'll be able to tune in from anywhere. And one of our amazing speakers that we're going to have at the event is actually Lee Para. She's going to be talking all about how to find the best place to park your tiny home, how to deal with the zoning on it, how to find place for a tiny house on foundation, all the different ins and outs that takes and everything that you need to know as far as that goes. She's also was the very first founder of the tiny house on wheels community. She knows tiny house parking and where you should build and put a tiny house more than anybody else. So make sure to tune in March 14th and 15th. See you there.